Internet hacks that can simplify your life. We at youwoch TV selected these simple but very useful tricks to share with you. 1. Move the text cursor. First trick. There are times when you need to add just a word or a letter in the middle of a message, and this trick will save you so much time. Click and hold the spacebar. Now you can move the cursor to the right, left, up, or down. So simple and so brilliant. 2. Move the text cursor. Second trick. Another way to move the text cursor is the magnifying glass trick. Click on the text and hold until a magnifying glass appears. Move it in any direction to place the cursor on any place in the text. 3. Creating a strong password. These days we use the internet for social communication, shopping, banking, and many other things, and creating a safe password is highly important. Instead of using just simple letters and numbers, use accented characters in your passwords. Hold your finger on a letter and the available accented characters will pop up. 4. Logging out of Facebook remotely. If you used somebody's smartphone or computer to check your Facebook and are not sure if you logged off properly, this can be easily fixed. Click on Settings on your Facebook account. Select Security. Click on where you're logged in. Find the session that you want to end. Click Log Out. 5. Google search for location. If you are looking for something in a particular location, just add location place after your search text. Did you find this useful? Tell us in the comments below if you know some tricks that we haven't mentioned, and share this article with your friends.